Today I'm gonna show you 7 free plugins that I frequently use, so let's do it. So the first one is made by Irkem. It's a French company that makes some amazing stuff, and they made a plugin pack that's called ASAP. 2 of those plugins are free, and we're gonna look at both of them. The first one is this one, that's Spectral Clipping. Spectral Clipping is very cool, and it's a useful tool because you can use it as a tool to just remove background noise, but you can also use it creatively. Let me explain. So, if you look here in Spectral Clipping, you have 2 options. There's the high and there's the low. Now I have this sample.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's pretty cool. There's a guy saying 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's a lot of background noise. You can't use that. So what we do is we put this plugin on it and we turn up the low, because now we're turning down the low parts of the music or the sample.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The background is gone and you can only hear the guy saying 1, 2, 3. That's amazing. Now another thing you can do is you can also use it creatively to maybe do something nice. So I have this sample right here. But if we turn up the low and modulate it, so we open it up at the end of every phrase, you can open up to the highs in the sample. You hear? And then I added some reverb and some filtering, and now it sounds like this. Yeah. Number 2. The second one is from the ASAP pack also, and it's Spectral Remix. See, what Spectral Remix does is that it divides your signal into 3 different parts. There's the error, there's the harmonics, and there's the noise. Now you can turn up and turn down the different parts you want. So if you turn up the noise and turn down the harmonics and error, you will hear the noise in the background. Or if you turn up the error and turn down the other 2, now you hear the error in the music, what it defines as error at least. I got a school assignment 2 years ago where I used this on a clarinet sample, and it turned out pretty cool. Very Tim Haggerty, if you know who Tim Haggerty is, check him out. But I started with this clarinet sample, and then I used the ASAP Spectral Remix on it, and I turned up some things and turned down some other things, and it sounds like this. And then the other big thing I did was I put it through this Doom compressor, so it just annihilates the sample really, and it turned out like this. And that's pretty cool. You can do a lot of things with it, but this is just a fast example really. Number 3. In the same school assignment, I also used this plugin that's called KRUSH. This is the 3rd plugin that we're gonna talk about. KRUSH is very cool, and you should check it out. It's a distortion plugin, but it's very creative and you can do some crazy stuff with it. Just listen to all this. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's just presets. That's just presets. But what I did, I wanted to simulate like the noise of wires staticking together. So I used Echo, the effect in Ableton, and used it as a noise generator. And I have a video on that. I can link it up here in the corner. Go check it out. Then I put it through KRUSH and I used this preset. That's totally cool. Now that sounds almost analog, and that's pretty cool. But there's a whole lot of things you can do with it. You can drive, crush, modulate, downsample. It's up to you. You should go explore. It's a cool plugin. These next 4 plugins are all from the same developer, Freak Show Industries. None of them really have any text description or anything to help you guide you through the plugin. They're made to explore, I guess. And that's really fun. This first one is Dumpster Fire, and it's a pitch shifting plugin. I don't really have any idea what any of these knobs do, except the one in the middle pitch shifts, kinda. But it's very different kind of pitch shift, and it's very cool. I used it on a track a couple of years ago to make a drum sample into a kind of breath sound. You can hear it here. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Do it yourself. Yeah. This next one I used before in earlier videos, and it's, in their own words, a tape abomination plugin, but I don't really know what it is, but it is fun. I know that. You have the possibility to quality degradation, distortion, desync, downsample, all kinds of stuff. And plus, there's like a unicorn with bats and lightning and fire. What's not to love? Now this one is called Backmask. And Backmask is a reverse delay chaos plugin. I don't know really what any of the buttons do, except for this one. And that's the dry wet signal. I'm pretty sure you should check it out. It's pretty hard to make the plugin keep in time with the other music in your session, but I don't think it's made for that really. It's made for a chaotic feeling, and it's very good at that. You can do some crazy stuff, but I can't explain it. With all of these, go check them out, but you have my recommendation, at least, if that's something. The last one. This last one is the newest one from the company, and it's called Pocket Dimension. Pocket Dimension is really useful, and it's right in tune with the other plugins from the company. It's very chaotic. You don't really know what's going on, so you can't really control the parameters specifically. But if you ever tried the Transit plugin by Andrew Huang and Baby Audio, it's similar to that because it's very good at transitions. In Transit, you can choose which effects you want when you push the button, but you can't do it here. In this, you just hold the button down and it zooms in on this crazy picture and it creates all kinds of noises. Then you can move your mouse around and it modulates the sound. You can make it do this automatically by using this little UFO thing. That's pretty cool. And you can map your X and Y coordinates with this effects, I guess. It's called Dose and Secret and Void. I don't know what they do, but it sounds pretty cool. At least here you can choose your release and your attack, I guess, so that's something. We actually know some words now. But yeah, use it for transitions in your songs. It's gonna be cool. And it's free. That was all for now. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, you should probably watch this video because that's also a very good video. And I'm just very happy you came to watch my video. So I'm a new YouTuber. It's pretty cool. I hope you stick around. I hope you watch some more. Put me in the algorithm, please, and thank you. I'm desperate. Okay, goodbye.